Experience points. Shit.
Alright, what's up? We're back. He's just... Ooh, I wanted to cut Will off. Because I am a horrible friend. But we're here with another episode. Will, still upset.
No, I'm happy.
No, you're not.
I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag of music.
Shut up. Just shut the fuck up. Bail!
Fuck you. There we go.
Molotov cocktails don't look like a waste right now.
There we go.
See, that doesn't look like a waste. That looks like a lot of damage.
Well, that first one was.
That first one was completely a waste, and we all know that. That's so funny. So funny! He completely ducked. Those werewolves are gonna see ya.
You know something really annoying?
What?
You know what's beyond that, the cleric beast? Like, what goes past it? Nothing.
Yeah, I know. It's just an optional boss.
What the fuck? I'm gonna fight him later when I can and I feel like it.
Neither of those sentences go together. When I can or feel like it. You know what? I'll give you that sentence.
Did I already kill him? I guess I did. Well, that's life. That's life. That's what people say. Alright. I'm gonna go talk to the first hunter.
Do it.
Alright, so there's a fuck ton of dogs here.
Hit them in the cages. Yeah.
I know, dude. Do you think I am some fucking amateur? In my place. It feels bad.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god, you just fucking like... What does the cold blood do? Completely unintentional, but continue. Trying to find your words?
When you break it, when you use it, it gives you blood echoes.
That's what I assumed. I'm glad I was correct.
Am I talking to you now? I don't know of any place yet, actually, so fuck you, bitch. She's old anyway, I don't care.
Fuck that old bitch. That was close.
It always is.
Not if you walk out like a normal human.
Alright, here's the first hunter. Eileen the Crow, I believe her name is.
Oh, what a mess you've been caught up in here. To welcome the new hunter. Prepare yourself for the worst. There are no humans left. They're all...
Can I talk to you more?
Still lingering about what's wrong. Oh.
Heh.
No matter.
Do it again!
I'm gonna keep talking to her.
What are you still doing? Enough tramp or hunter? What are you still in?
Never mind, you're on loop now.
Do I kill her now?
No, don't kill her!
Why not?
Because she's a hunter, like you.
Yeah, she's powerful. I couldn't beat her right now. It took me like 10 tries in my playthrough. I'm just gonna keep saying that just to piss you off, though.
I don't care anymore.
In my much better and much funnier playthrough than this.
Sure, where you're probably absolutely silent.
No, I yell sometimes. Babe. Alright. These guys are actually not hard to kill.
Those guys up there?
Alright. Killed him.
Oh, I guess you really were getting better.
I'm pretty sure I killed those guys on my first try in this playthrough last time.
Yeah, but you also missed with that Molotov cocktail. Making
Shut up.
Making me laugh.
He dodged it. That's part of his programming.
No, he didn't. He was gonna, like, just pounce on you, and he just happened to dodge it.
Alright, now I have to go down there to get the shit. The fecal matter. Watch out for rats. They're fucking huge and disgusting.
Like those?
God.
Heal
Bitch.
yourself.
Damn it. No, I should have grabbed the other one. It's just easier sometimes. I don't care if I'm wasting ammo. I never use it to begin with, so what difference does it make?
Madman's knowledge.
You break it to gain insight, which you use to summon people.
That's dandy.
Oh, quite. I love dandy things. I like dandy lions and dandy tigers.
Are we encroaching on another one of those lanterns?
I'm trying to remember. Yes, it's at Father Gascon, actually. When we fight him. Right?
Sure. I mean, I wouldn't know. I wasn't at your funny or better playthrough.
No, no, it's... Okay, so Father Gascon, who we just fought with, we're gonna fight him soon.
Yeah, I know. What was that?
That was a crow, don't worry about him. Wonder if I can run by him.
Probably not.
I made it.
Wow!
I knew I wouldn't be able to fight him right now. Alright, cool. So this girl...
Yeah, you don't know our voice because we haven't spoken.
Daddy never came back from the hunt. She went to find him. She has this red jeweled brooch. I'm gonna find the girl's mother. She's dead.
Sure, I assumed. This world fucking sucks.
Give her this music box.
How did she hand it to you?
Don't worry about it.
That's probably how you save him.
Probably. Because if you play the music box for him, apparently it saves him. I haven't done any research on this, but that's what the girl says, and I'm really hoping it works. Because I felt horrible when that happened. Okay, open sesame. There we go. Alright, so we're back here. Where Father Gascon spawned last time.
Look, there he is.
But I can't because I don't have any insight.
You don't have a bell, I'm assuming.
No, I have bells, but I don't have any insight.
Probably should have activated just running it beforehand. The fuck was that about? Oh, okay. Why?
I don't like the targeting, honestly, that much. I use it sometimes for certain things, but...
You're getting, like, ridiculously close without a reaction.
I know, why is he not...
Oh, there we go. He's holding a brick. That is his main form of combat. Maybe that's what you need to do, is activate the Madman's Insight, summon the Father, and then play the music box.
Maybe.
I might just be fucking insane.
I mean, why not? I never used the insight anyway, so might as well.
Okay, then do that. Summon him. He'll show up eventually.
He'll come here soon. Yay! Yay! He's on his way. Okay. He just doesn't give a fuck.
Wait, maybe it's just playing different parts of the song.
It's the same thing every time.
No, it sounds different.
Well, like, there's only 2.
I'm gonna look it up. Wouldn't it be some weird, like, fucking Inception thing if they fight each other?
I wonder. I could get him that. Fucking wacky, dude. I'm gonna kill these dogs first because I hate them. I fucking hate the dogs.
I'm on the wiki right now trying to figure out how to save him.
I know, I want to save him. Because I don't want to make the girl upset again. But like...
You can summon him to help you fight the cleric beast boss encounter before you fight him at the Tome of Odeon, blah blah blah.
Yeah. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. To be fair, those things are still hard later on in the game. It's just batshit. How fucking...
Whoa!
What? Can I save him?
No. That's such a bummer.
What happens if I play the thing for him?
He just goes automatically into beast mode.
Nope, not doing that then. Oh, that's right, because the hunter, Eileen the Crow, said so herself that there's no man left, only beasts. Fuck, that's depressing. Four bullets. Jesus, that's fucked up, man. And I also need to level up hardcore.
However, if you use it while he's in beast mode, he stops attacking you and just like grabs his head and makes him open to attack.
That doesn't sound too bad. There's my blood echoes. Should I run for him? I'm gonna wait. And I'm gonna run now. Later, sluts. I'm gonna take a shortcut to the sewers.
Nice shortcut.
Thank you.
They're here!
Ah!
They're here! I am clutching my face right now. Did they follow you? No, but they're up there. They're up there. Oh my god.
That was too much.
It's kind of fucked up that the daughter gave you a weapon to help defeat her father.
She didn't know.
I know, but like, the game designers knew. Here, use this loving gift to help murder her papa.
Well, her father murdered her mother, and I can still save her, is the thing. Like, I can move her to a place that's safe.
Her mom?
No, her daughter.
Oh.
The girl. I can get her to a safe place, but if I tell her, then she's really depressed.
That's fine with me. I'd rather know that my parents are dead than than the hope of like never see than be like very like maybe and that maybe is like just destroying my life. I'd rather just know.
There's a possibility. You've seen Twilight, right?
Not like religiously, no.
Pretty sure they had sex to that song.
Really?
Yeah.
I should watch it now.
Ah! Killed him.
Oh.
It's not that great, actually.
Never mind. You should find a way back to the hunter stream.
There's one coming up soon, actually.
I'm assuming those people come to life.
Yes, they do. Here.
Nice shot.
Well, they didn't care. That's life.
Well, they didn't care because you didn't hit them. Oh, they have a chunk of health.
Well, yeah, when you're already dead, what does it matter?
Ouch. They do a chunk of damage, too.
Not too bad.
What would be great is a Molotov cocktail.
I'm pretty sure I'm out of those.
I know.
It's so weird because their attack animation and they're about to hit you, or they're about to die animation, are very similar. And so I can never tell if they're actually dead or just like... See?
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
That's a lot of bullets. Very nice.
Very nice. Great success.
See?
Yeah, I saw that.
It's like I can't tell if they're about to die sometimes. Oh, you bitch. You give me a lot of shit, though. That's good.
Very nice. I feel like it's just me, but I feel like you should probably run and heal.
Nah, I can handle them. Bloodstone shards are, you embed them into your weapon to make them better. Ready to see some crazy shit? See that boar?
That's a boar? I thought that was a big boulder. What's so crazy about it? You're gonna kill it?
There's like a super good strategy to not die while you're killing it. And I found it by accident. Oh, also there's a couple of guys up there that'll get really hurt.
Huh.
He does a lot of damage.
Right, I can see that. Still seeing it. Maybe you should shoot him a bit.
I can't.
Why don't we just end this episode here?
Yeah.
Heal up a bit, and then we're gonna come back and murder this pig. Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye.